Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Android News Byte. A few months back, Google added the ability for the Play Store to download multiple apps at the same time. The only downside of this change was that the rollout was only being enabled for new application installs. This began to change recently, as now many people are seeing this functionality work for application updates again. I say again because this used to be a feature for Android supported many years ago. Back in the Android market days, many people who used the Nexus 1 remember their app updates downloading at the same time. There was a major downside to this, though, as the hardware wasn't as fast as it is today. And if you had 10 app updates downloading at the same time, it would frequently freeze the entire Android market application. Fast forward 14 years later, and Google is now ready to re-enable simultaneous downloads for both application updates and new app installs. If you're not seeing this yet, then you'll want to be patient, as Google has a history of doing slow server-side rollouts for new features like this. But you may begin to see multiple application updates downloading at the same time now. I noticed this yesterday when I had 10 or 12 apps to update, but I found that the Google Play Store is only going to download updates for 2 to 3 applications at a time. I also noticed that it won't start downloading the next 3 until the previous updates had been completely installed. However, I'm seeing others comment about how once one finished installing, the next one began downloading. So it may be that Google is limiting these concurrent app updates differently for various people. While that may not be exactly how the Android market used to handle these simultaneous downloads, it's certainly better than how it has been. I wonder if Google has rolled this out as a test to see how the current generation of devices can perform, and maybe we'll see this expanded to 5 or more concurrent downloads in the near future. If you are seeing this with the Google Play Store on your smartphone or tablet, then let us know about it down in the comment section below. And please, do not forget to like this video while also subscribing to the channel for more Android news content like this.